In the Ultra Course View, the gradebook calculates the overall grade by weighting the assignments or assessments in your course. If you instead calculate students' grades based on the total points they have earned, divided by the total points possible for your course, there are two ways that you can use workarounds in the Ultra Course View in order to reflect that grade. The first one is to use the item weights in the overall grade. I'm going to set up the overall grade and make sure that under the overall grade settings, I've chosen the gradebook item weights as opposed to the category weights. This lets me set an overall grade percentage for each of the assessments in my course. What I need to do then is fill out this page according to the overall percent that each assessment is worth in my course. For example, if this writing assignment was worth 50 points, and overall my course is worth 500 points, then this writing assignment is worth 10% of the overall grade. You would continue that calculation for all of the assessments in your course by dividing the total points possible for that assignment divided by the total points possible for the course overall. At the end, that total must equal 100%. You can keep an eye on the running total here at the bottom of the page. When you have all of them complete and the total equals 100%, you would click the Save button to save that overall grade calculation. The other option is to create a total column in your course. To do that, mouse over the list of graded items and click the plus sign that appears. Then choose Add Calculation. You'll name your calculation, and if you'd like it to be visible to students, set it to be visible. You can choose whether this is displayed to students and to you as points, a percentage, or a letter. I'm going to choose points for now. Under Functions and Variables, select Total. Once you've clicked it, it will appear in the calculation editor to the right. Click there and select either all of the categories or all of the individual assessments that students will need to complete. I will select all of the categories to ensure that all of my assessments are included in this total. Then I'll click Save. From here, I can actually go back to set up my overall grade and this time choose only this total column. I'm going to make that worth 100% and then delete and remove the other assessments from this calculation. This makes the overall grade column set up 100% on my points total. So in essence, what it will do is calculate the student's running percentage of points that they have earned that are included in that total and display that as a student's overall grade.